Hi everybody, thank you for tuning into my channel today. Now, I actually prepared the colors. As you can all see, these are all the sweet pink and rosy colors that I've prepared actually for my flamingo pour. Up to now, I've done one flamingo piece and up to now it's a failure. I didn't like that piece. And this is the second attempt to do another flamingo piece, but when I was looking at my references, I saw this cute tiger face and it was staring back at me, and I thought, man, I have to paint this out using these beautiful flamingo colors. And so I ditched the idea of doing the flamingo pour and I decided to do a tiger face pour with these beautiful, awesome colors. So now I want half of my tiger's face to be blue and the other to be white because I have a birthmark on my face, and it has always been a unique part of me. I know as kids people love to make fun of it, but as an adult, I'm totally fine with it, and I think that we should embrace ourselves, the way that we are born naturally, and that is why this tiger piece with half blue face is dedicated to that beautiful birthmark that I have on my face. So yeah, I start off by sketching the tiger face first, and after that, after I've sketched it, I just pour the paints at wherever I feel like it. Now, I've pre-gessoed my canvas, so it is primed really well, and then my paints are all mixed with just water only, so I do not put any Floetrol or any pouring medium because I do not like pouring medium. I like the way the paints just dry by itself without any pouring medium. So this is just me, but if you feel like you want to add pouring medium to your paintings, then to your pour, then go ahead and do that as well. It's really up to you. So this is just a fun piece that I play with, and I'm just going to let you guys watch it. We can catch up at the end of the video. Now, if you're new to my channel and if you love this piece, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and please comment because I would love to hear from you. Thank you, and see you guys in a bit. Just look at this piece. The colors are amazingly bright and beautiful. I really love this piece so much because of the special colors, and I also love the birthmark on the tiger's face, and I also just love the whole composition and how everything is. So please let me know what you think about it. I would love to hear from you, and see you guys soon again. Take care. Bye.